Fifth grade into math module 7. Add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Okay, so in our last one, we just added and subtracted fractions with unlike denominators, right? This time we're going to have a whole number and a fraction that we're going to have to figure out our answer. So can you place the numbers? Use each of the numbers on the cards to write an equation using mixed numbers with like denominators. Okay, so what do you guys think? Okay, hold on, okay, so 5 and 2 8 plus, what else? Let's not use the 4 and 6 8. 3 and what?
2 8? No. 4 6? 3 and 6?
3 and 4 8 equals what?
5.
Clearly 8, right? And 6, 8. Okay, so we have how many 8s here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Did we use the 5?
Yeah.
Yep. Did we use just 1, 2?
Yeah.
Yep. Did we use 1, 4?
Yeah.
Yep. 1, 3?
Yep.
And 1, 6?
Yep.
All right. So are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills. You will need for this module, explore mixed numbers. Write the fraction as a mixed number. So what have we said that the fraction part also means what?
Divide.
Division, right? Okay, so 8 divided by 5. So how many times does 5 go into 8?
Once.
1 time. Okay, 5 times 1 is
5.
5. So 8 minus 5 is
3.
3. And then we keep our same denominator, correct? Okay, how many times does 5 go into 13? Twice. 2 times 5 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. And then we keep 5 as our denominator. Now, do any of those two need to be simplified?
No.
No. Okay, they're in simplest form, correct? And what do they begin as? What are those fractions called to begin with? Improper fractions. Okay. How many times does 5 go into 11? Twice. 5 times 2 is 10, right? 11 minus 10 is 1. And then we keep our same denominator as 5. Okay. How many times does 5 go into 12? Twice. Okay. 5 times 2 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And we keep our same denominator. 5 goes into 6 how many times? 5 times 1 is 5. 6 minus 5 is
1.
and then we keep our 5. Okay. 14 divided by 5. 5 goes into 14 how many times? Twice. 2 times 5 is 10. So 14 minus 10 is 4. And then we keep our denominator of 5. Equivalent fractions. Complete the equation to show how the two fractions are equivalent. So they have 1/4, okay, and then this one has how many pieces? 8, right? Okay, so it's 2 8. So they are equivalent, correct? So you can see with the diagram that they have the same amount colored, correct? Okay, even though they're different size pieces. So basically, this is how we got common denominators before, okay? So how do, so we would need to take the 1/4, and then how do we get from 4 to 8? Times 2. So what I do on the bottom, I do on the top, and then I would get 2 8, correct? Okay. The next one, they're saying 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. So I would do my 2/3, and then how do I get from 3 to 6? Times 2. So what I do on the bottom, I do on the top, and I would get 4/6. Okay. So the next one, they want us to add and subtract fractions. They want us to find the sum or the difference. So 2 8 plus 5 8 is 7 8. 7/9 minus 1/9 is 6/9. Is that simplified? No. What goes into both 6 and 9? 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay. 1/6 plus 1/6 is 2/6. What goes into both 2 and 6? 2. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 6.
3 times.
So 1/3. 1/5 plus 2/5 is 3/5. Is that simplified? Yep. 2/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3, which equals 1. 6/7 minus 1/7 is 5/7. Is that simplified or do we mean simplified? Simplified, right? 7/9 minus 2/9 is 5/9. Simplified, right? 7/8 minus 3/8 is 4/8. Is that simplified? Nope. What goes into both 4 and 8? 4, right? 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 8 twice. So 1/2. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. Is that simplified? No. What goes into both 2 and 4? 2. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. So 1/2.